Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Chime direct deposit. In order to do so, the first thing that you need to do is to simply launch your Chime mobile application, and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, before setting up the direct deposit on Chime, you need to have your routing and your account number. So in order to find it, you simply need to click on this gear icon in the top left hand corner. Once you do this, you will be landed on the settings page, where in the account information section, you are going to see your account number as well as your routing number. So you just have to copy these. After that, you are going to see the option of set up direct deposit in the bottom. So you simply need to click on this option, and then you will be redirected on this page where you are going to see the option of get completed form. So I simply need to click on this option, and after that you will be able to see this type of pop-up which says that we have emailed your completed form to the registered email. You need to send the form to your employer or HR provider, and this way you will be able to easily set up direct deposit on Chime. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.